So let's talk about why certain nails rust. It depends on what they're made out of. So this stainless steel nail I told you earlier will never rust on you. And that's why it's used in certain applications where it's more susceptible to get wet. Makes sense. But these galvanized nails will eventually rust. What makes these galvanized nails galvanized is that they have a coating of zinc, and the zinc is what makes them rust resistant. But over time, that coating of zinc does wear off. It weathers away and exposes raw steel, which will eventually start to rust.